Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple step to troubleshoot a Bluetooth speaker not connecting to mobile. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow: ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device. For this purpose, you have to go to your device setting and locate the Bluetooth option. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on and the device is discoverable. If Bluetooth was already on, turn it off and back on to refresh the connection. Verify the speaker is in pairing mode. For this purpose, press and hold the Bluetooth button on the speaker until the indicator light flashes. Keep the speaker within 3 feet of your mobile device. Number 3. Check for existing connections. If connected to another device, unpair it in the device Bluetooth setting. On your mobile device, go to the Bluetooth setting, locate the speaker and select Forget. Attempt to reconnect the speaker after unpairing. Restart both devices. Power off your phone, wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Turn off the speaker, wait for a few seconds and power it back on. Re-enable pairing mode and try connecting again. Number 5. Forget and repair speaker. In your mobile device Bluetooth setting, find the speaker in the list of paired devices and select Forget. Put the speaker back into pairing mode. Search for available Bluetooth devices on your phone. Select the speaker from the list and complete the pairing process. Number 6. Check for interference. Move away from potential sources of interference, such as Wi-Fi routers, microwave, and cordless phones. Avoid placing the speaker near metal objects. Number 7. Update firmware and software. Follow the instructions to download and install update using a computer. Ensure your phone's or tablet operating system is up to date. Update Bluetooth drivers if using a Windows PC for troubleshooting. Number 8. Reset network settings on your mobile device. Go to your device setting and locate Reset network settings. Confirm the reset and repair the speaker after resetting. Number 9. Test with another device. Attempt to connect the speaker to another phone, tablet or laptop. If it connects successfully, the problem may be with your original device Bluetooth setting. Consult the user manual or manufacturer support. If the issue persists, contact the manufacturer support team. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.